Gaurav Gogoi hit backs at CM Himanta Biswa Sharma. Gogoi says Himanta Biswa Sharma is scared of 2026 elections. People can see fear and insecurity in the Himanta Biswa Sharma's eyes. Assam CM keeps changing stance every day. The political landscape in Assam has turned increasingly volatile as Congress leader and member of parliament Gaurav Gogoi launched a scathing attack on Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma, accusing him of constantly shifting his stance on critical matters. The ongoing war of words between the two leaders, which has taken both political and personal undertones, has intensified ahead of the 2026 elections. While addressing to media, Gogoi stated that Sharma's inconsistent statements reflect his anxiety and insecurity. He claimed that the Chief Minister has been altering his position on various issues. He further asserted that Sharma's apprehension stems from the growing confidence within the Congress party and the possibility of a major electoral setback for the BJP in the next state polls.
So we all saw the press conference yesterday of the Chief Minister of Assam, Himanta Biswa Sharma ji, and the people of Assam commented that when they saw the face of Himanta Biswa Sharma ji, when they look into the eyes of Himanta Biswa Sharma ji, they could see that he was anxious, insecure, and not confident of himself. Every day his position has changed. Every day he has altered his stance. From the day one in Singapore he said something, on 5th day he said something else, and yesterday he's altered his stance once again. But on the opposite hand, the Congress position has remained firm. We are confident of our position. If they want to do an investigation, they can go ahead. We are confident of where we are. And it is logical for the Chief Minister to be afraid, because 12 months from now, there will be elections in the state of Assam, and a Congress-led government will be formed here. And therefore, the Chief Minister is afraid of the Congress party. He is afraid of the people of Assam. The people of Assam have been rightly asking questions of the Chief Minister, but they have got no answers. After 2026, he will be forced to answer to the people of Assam. Till then, for the next 12 months, the Congress party will work unitedly, will go to the people, will go to every nook and corner of the state. We will raise the issues of the public, and in the end, not one man, but after the 2026 assembly elections, the people of Assam will be victorious.
Adding to the friction, Assam Congress President Bhupen Kumar Bora extended full support to Gogoi, warning that those conducting the ongoing probe should be mindful that their positions would not remain permanent. He cautioned that if the Congress returns to power, they would face repercussions for their actions. His remarks have added fuel to the already heated political climate in the state.
আজি মই মুকলিমূৰীয়াকৈ অসম প্ৰদেশ কংগ্ৰেছ কমিটিৰ হৈ হিমন্ত বিশ্ব শৰ্মাক জনাই দিছোঁ, গৌৰৱ গগৈ অকলশৰীয়া নহয়, আৰু এইখন যুঁজ হিমন্ত বিশ্ব শৰ্মাই গৌৰৱ গগৈৰ বিৰুদ্ধে কৰিছোঁ বুলি ভাবিব নালাগে। অসম প্ৰদেশ কংগ্ৰেছ কমিটি প্ৰত্যেকজন তৃণমূল পৰ্যায়ৰ নেতা কৰ্মী এই যুঁজত গৌৰৱ গগৈৰ লগত থকাই নহয়। ডিজিপি এনকুৱাৰী কমিশ্যন চবকে মই কৈ দিছোঁ, এনকুৱাৰীৰ সময়ত এটা কথা মনত ৰাখিব যে হিমন্ত বিশ্ব শৰ্মাৰ চকীখনো স্থায়ী নহয়, আৰু বিজেপি দলৰ হাতত থকা ক্ষমতাও স্থায়ী নহয়। এই কথা বিজেপিক মনত ৰাখিবৰ কাৰণে আৰু এনকুৱাৰী বিষয়াসকলকে এই কথা মনত ৰাখিবৰ কাৰণে যে পাৱাৰ ইজ নট পাৰ্মানেণ্ট। আমি বহুত ক্ষমতা দেখিছোঁ, বহুত ক্ষমতা পাইছোঁ, বহুতবাৰ ক্ষমতা হেৰুৱাইছোঁ, ইয়াৰ কিন্তু পৰিণতি আৰু পৰিস্থিতি বহুত বেয়া পালে যাব আৰু তাৰ কাৰণে জগৰীয়া অসমৰ মুখ্যমন্ত্ৰী হিমন্ত বিশ্ব শৰ্মা হ'ব আৰু সব কথা এটা ওলাব সব কথা ওলাব পত্নীৰ কথা যেটা আলোচনা হৈছে কেবিনেটত এতিয়া আৰু বহুত পত্নীৰ কথা কেবিনেটত আলোচনা হ'ব অসমৰ ৰাইজৰ মুখে মুখে আলোচনা হ'ব সকলো তথ্য ফাদিল কৰা হ'ব আৰু তাৰ দায়িত্ব আমি অসম প্ৰদেশ কংগ্ৰেছ কমিটিয়ে লৈছোঁ
Meanwhile, the controversy took a major serious turn with the Assam police registering a case against Pakistani national Ali Taqir Sheikh, whom the chief minister have alleged to have connection with Gaurav Gogoi's wife Elizabeth Gogoi. Assam DGP Harmeet Singh confirmed that the CID has filed a case under multiple sections of the Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita and UAPA against Sheikh and other unidentified individuals. The investigation is now underway to determine whether Sheikh's activities pose a risk to national security and whether he had associates within India, particularly in Assam.
Yesterday itself, on receiving the cabinet's directives, CID was instructed to file a case. Today morning, CID has filed a case, CID PS case number 5/2025 under sections 48, 152, 61, 197(1) of BNS 2023, read with section 13(1) of the UAP Act against Ali Taqir Sheikh and unknown others. The case has been registered and the investigation has begun. It has been seen that till now that the activities of the said Ali Taqir Sheikh are prejudicial to national security. He has been making utterances and it seems that his activities hurt the broader spectrum of national security. So it has to be seen as to what exactly he has done, which is suspected already, and whether there are other people involved in the conspiracy with him. Who are these others? Are they within India, without India, within Assam, in the rest of India? So they will all be looked at, and nobody, and I repeat again, nobody, कोई भी भारत की अखंडता पे आँच नहीं आ सकती भारत की अखंडता पे। ये हमने सुदृढ़ निश्चय लिया है और CID अपने केस को ऐसे ही आगे बढ़ाएगी। धन्यवाद।
However, the case against Sheikh was registered following a decision in the Assam cabinet meeting on February 16. CM Sharma alleged that Sheikh, apart from his engagement with the Pakistani government, had founded Let Pakistan, a climate-focused non-profit organization where Elizabeth Gogoi was actively involved during her stay in Islamabad. He also claimed that both Sheikh and Elizabeth were part of the Climate and Development Knowledge Network, which operates in both India and Pakistan, raising concerns about foreign influence in India's internal affairs. The Assam cabinet, citing potential security risks, instructed the DGP to initiate an investigation into the matter. With allegations flying between both sides, the political battle between Gaurav Gogoi and CM Himanta Biswa Sharma has intensified, setting the stage for a high stakes confronting ahead of the 2026 Assam Assembly elections. News Desk report, My News Any.